Hey guys, I've been hearing lots of random noises around my house recently, like at night. And my room is right above where I am right now. Nothing around here so far, but I really can't find anything that I heard. Well, there was lots of things, like most of the noises came from right over there, and it really started to bug me. So I called the cops. They couldn't find anything. I heard more noises. Came out here, seen a black figure standing right there. White face. Well, he really had no face, but he was pale and tall. What, whatever it was, I'm really done with this. If I see him again, I'm gonna shoot him in the face with my 9mm in my house. But somebody's already done that, and it didn't work. So I don't care. I hope people in my neighborhood start filing complaints on me. I don't give a shit. I just want to kill him. Well, that's it for my video. I have a Twitter account, Noah Conway. Just look me up. Thank you. Bye.